Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your controller vibrate on your Xbox Series X or S. So if you lost your controller or you want to go ahead and just turn on or off the different settings, you can go up to the top here and select Settings. Then you want to go down to Devices and Connections and go to Controllers and Headsets. Now I have two different controllers currently plugged in and turned on. I want to go over to where the three little dots are and go do More Options. Then you can go on down to where it says Vibrate this controller and then press A. And you'll notice the controller will start vibrating. Now if you want to turn on or off the vibration, we want to go back, go to Configure this time, then choose a profile that you're currently using, and then go to Edit. And then go on down to where it says Turn on or off vibration right here. Now you might also have to do this in the game. So if you're like playing Call of Duty, in every other game, the vibration works. Well, you could have the setting for vibrations turned off specifically in Call of Duty. So just make sure you're looking at the game settings too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.